Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to SLP update. I'm just on the phone here today. I'm not gonna be able to do it on the laptop anyway. Yeah, so let's dive into a quick video here because I'm not gonna do today a very extended analysis, but I just want to see what is going on with SLP at this point of time. Okay, so it's gonna be a very quick comment. Now, we did saw yesterday that if I zoom out of things here, we had this huge sort of falling wedge that you finally broke out of. So you can see from where did you came from. You came from like this place, went down like this, you broke out, came back for the back test, and now it's looking to actually go to the 21 level, which we haven't done just yet, but we're trying to get there. Okay, but I do see on the 1 hour time frame, it's like there's a little bit of a descending triangle trying to form out here. So you can see if this descending triangle try to get lost, we're going to go a little bit down. You see you have a descending triangle right there, and based on that descending triangle, potentially you're going to see just a second here. Okay, yeah, this I'm just learning how to use the phone trading view anyway. So from there to there, and this is where if you break out of here, you're gonna see us still coming down to 164, but that's not bad, not really bad. I'm not gonna say necessarily that's bad. It's okay, you're still coming to the trend line now. I just want to do some predictions of where like SLP can actually reach in the distant future. So what I'm gonna do is I want to dive into the weekly, and I want to talk about the weekly EMAs. So first of all, we're about to close the weekly in a bullish engulfing candlestick, okay, by tomorrow potentially. That's why I think you're going to start to pump. So if you start to close like this, that's very, very bullish. If the next candle here, this one, it turns out to be absolutely green to the upside, if you just come up here and close near the 177, which you're likely to do, so 177 is not very far away, then you might be making like a tweezer bottom in my opinion, or there's a candlestick, there's a name of this candlestick, like level bottomed candlestick in my opinion. I just don't remember the name right now. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is, since I'm on the weekly here, I want to turn on the 55 and the 20 EMA. Now, to me, it seems like, you see, the 55 or the 20 EMA, if you want to say here, I think SLP is looking to go to 0.0371 on the weekly EMA. Or on the Binance chart, actually, it's not visible here on the trading view, but if you ever open up that Binance chart, then the 55 EMA is nearly the 60, 0.060 here, somewhere near there. And that's going to be breaking this resistance right here, which you go up, back test, and then boom, you continue to the upside if that ever happens. But let's say the highest you can go, in my opinion, is I think some point somewhere you're going to come up here and break this resistance up there of the 0.041, and actually go to the 61, break it, back test, and then you continue to the 70s, 80s, 90s, or potentially to the all-time high. But at the moment, at least, it's safe to say 21 is there. But I think somewhere down the road, you're about to go and attack the 20 EMA at 30, right? So that's it for the update. Just wanted to give the comment. It's still looking good to me. The charts are good, nothing bad. I don't see any bearish patterns right now. It's safe to say that it's kind of a very, very good, safe buy right now. And I'm going to see you with the next detailed analysis. Allah Hafiz.